So let's make today an yummy chicken tikka biryani. Yes, you heard it right. And the tikkas will be made in normal fry pan without tandoor and without oven. Yet the taste is just awesome. Do try out this combination. You will love the flavors of chicken tikka with biryani. Hey guys, I am Subhankari and I welcome you all to my channel Sus Food Corner English. And I hope you all are doing great in your lives. If you are new to my page, subscribe to my page and do not forget to tap the bell button. Thank you all for loving my channel so much and liking my videos so much. Let's begin with this yummy recipe of chicken tikka biryani. So first we'll be preparing the chicken for tikkas. Here I have 1 kg of chicken cut into a little bit larger pieces, and I have some deep cuts here. Lemon juice I'll add around 2 teaspoons. And to it again I'll add salt as per taste, red chilli powder 1 tablespoon and Kashmiri Red Chilli Powder 1 tablespoon. Ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoon goes. For this recipe you can opt for some organic food color, but I have avoided it because Kashmiri Red Chilli Powder will give the required zing. But again it's your choice. So give everything a mix and I'll cover it and keep it for just 15 to 20 minutes. This is the first marinade and there will be a second marinade. So this one is just for flavor. So just give it a mix and just cover it, and this goes on kitchen counter for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, I have taken here 2 glasses of Basmati rice. It's around 500 gram, and just I'll give it a wash. 1 to 2 times I'll wash it and then soak it in water for around 1 hour. So simultaneously every step I am showing so that you can do this in a very organized manner. So after washing the rice 1 to 2 times, now I'll add water and let it soak for around 1 hour. So meanwhile, while the water is soaking, my chicken has been marinating for 15 minutes. So let's see. So my first marinade over the chicken is ready. Just remove this cling foil and we'll add some more ingredients. Thick curd I have taken it. You can also take hung curd, around 4 tablespoons. Cumin powder 1 teaspoon. Coriander powder I'll add around 1 teaspoon. And some turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, garam masala powder 1 tablespoon, and mustard oil 4 tablespoon. Raw mustard oil will provide that perfect pungency for this dish. Give it a mix, and now my chicken is ready. The tikkas are ready. So to just make this tikkas, I have heated 2 tablespoon cooking oil in a fry pan. It should be heated at maximum heat. This is very important tip. Once the oil is nicely heated, I'll add these chicken pieces in this way. As I said, for this recipe, I have made little larger pieces. That works for this recipe. And the most important tip here is that we need to sear this chicken first initially. So for first 2 to 3 minutes, let this outer surface of chicken sear in high flame. You can see how nicely it has been sealing. So cooking in high flame for initial 3 minutes ensures the outer layer is nicely sealed. You can see how beautiful color the outer layer has attained. Now just flip it over after 3 minutes. You can see how nicely the color has come. It's nice golden, some dark colors. This is what we want. We are doing chicken tikka in a pan, so this is very necessary. The chicken should not release its moisture initially. I have flipped it over, and now after 3 to 4 minutes of cooking on the other side, I'll just cover it for more 4 to 5 minutes so that this chicken tikka can be nicely cooked from inside. So after 4 to 5 minutes on low cooking in slow flame, it's done. Chicken tikkas are perfectly roasted. You can see how nicely they are seared. So my chicken tikka on pan are ready. The trick here is that initially we need to cook both sides on high flame, and then on low flame I have covered it and cooked for 4 to 5 minutes. Total 10 to 12 minutes, and chicken tikka one batch is ready. And next important tip is that before adding the second batch, just remove the residue, these all, because that will give a very pungent smell. We don't want that. Just remove it, make it clear, and add the next batch, and the same way you can prepare the rest batch. The chicken tikkas are ready here. After that, we'll be preparing the gravy for biryani. 6 tablespoons of oil I have added in a pan, and 3 large size onions I have added thinly sliced. I need to roast them nice golden color. So wait till this onions turns out to be golden. It might take around 10 to 12 minutes. So once this onion starts to turn golden, I'll just take out some amount. You can see the color. It's perfectly done. So around 1/4 part I am taking out. These will be my fried onions that we'll use in biryani. In remaining onions, I'll add ginger, garlic and green chili paste 2 tablespoons. Green chili amount obviously depends upon your taste. Just mix till the raw smell of ginger, garlic and green chili paste goes out. And once you can see the oil has separated, give it a mix. And to this now I'll add puree of 2 large size tomatoes without water. And now increase the flame as we have added tomatoes, and wait till this tomato puree is nicely cooked with the onion, ginger and garlic. And when this will be nicely cooked, obviously oil will be separated, and at this stage I'll add turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, garam masala powder 1 tablespoon, red chilli powder I have added around 1 tablespoon, and Kashmiri Red Chilli Powder 1 tablespoon, Biryani Masala Powder 1 tablespoon, some cumin and coriander powder goes in. Give it a mix and wait till all the spices get nicely mixed with this masala. And now reduce the flame, and I'll add curd half a cup, and again to this I'll add roasted besan or gram flour 1 tablespoon. It's very important because when we add this roasted besan, it actually creates a gravy, a base for our biryani. So as this needs to be cooked on low flame, reduce the flame to lowest and let it simmer. Meanwhile, we'll prepare our rice. And now here I have taken around 2 liters of water, some black cardamom, green cardamom, cinnamon stick, cloves, and some black pepper, bay leaf, basic whole spices goes in, salt 2 tablespoons and 1 teaspoon of oil. Give it a mix and wait till it comes to a boil. And once this water starts to boil, we have already prepared our rice. I have soaked it. Strain the rice in this way and add the rice. At this time the flame should be high. This rice should be cooked for to around 7 to 8 minutes on high flame. You can just see the watch and cook because that's the perfect time. This rice would be perfectly 80% done. Strain the rice, and yes, do not discard the rice water. We are going to use this rice water, and this my rice is nicely perfectly done, and this rice water we are going to use. And meanwhile, within 12 to 15 minutes, my curd and spices are perfectly roasted. The layer of oil speaks volumes that it's perfectly done. And now switch off the flame. I'll remove half of this gravy because we are going to layer our biryani. So this I'll take out around half. Remaining half I'll leave it in the kadhai. And now I'll add the chicken tikka pieces in 3 layers. I'll make, again it depends upon your choice. And once I'll have added the chicken tikka pieces, coriander and mint leaves goes in, some chopped green chili goes in. Chopped green chili gives this peculiar taste in this biryani. And now I'll add 1 layer of the rice. You can see the rice is perfectly done. Kevda water half teaspoon, and the boiled rice water that we had kept 2 tablespoons that goes in. Again at this stage I'll add some mint and coriander leaves. These are chopped. And then I'll add here some rice more, 1 layer more of rice, spread it uniformly. At this layer now goes some rose water and 2 tablespoons more of boiled rice water. And then I have nicely layered this chicken tikkas, some more mint and coriander leaf. Basically I'm just preparing the layer. And now after this final layer of mint and coriander leaves, I'll add the last layer of the rice. And saffron milk I have taken around 4 tablespoons. And again to this I'll add finely chopped green chilies. You can see I have slitted them in a little bit angle. Some mint and coriander leaves, the fried onion that we have taken out, clarified butter or ghee 2 tablespoons that goes at this stage. And finally lemon juice I have added 1 teaspoon with 2 tablespoons more of rice water. Cover it and let it cook on high flame for initial 5 minutes. Then place a tawa and reduce the flame and let it cook on low heat for next 10 to 12 minutes. Leave it for rest for around 5 to 10 minutes more after switching off the flame. And then you can open this biryani. You will love the flavors and aroma. You can see how nice the layers have come up. Chicken tikka with biryani flavor is just awesome. So my chicken tikka biryani is ready to be served. And here I have served my lovely biryani. You can see how beautiful the rice grains have puffed up. Little bit of mint, some onions and lemon. This works wonders. Try this recipe. You will just love the simplicity of this dish. And yes, biryani of course has many variants. This recipe and this variant surely needs a try. You will just love the perfect combination of chicken tikkas with biryani. The smoky flavor of chicken tikkas and biryani goes very well together. And now it's time for the comment of the day. Today's comment of the day is from Rita Sethi. She writes, Pura hotel wala dosa. Wow, mouth-watering and yum. Thank you so much, Rita. Actually, she has commented on the recipe of street style dosa. Thank you so much that you like my recipe, and thank you so much for letting me know. Much love, stay safe and stay connected. And for this video, chicken tikka biryani, it's one of my favorite combination. Do try it out. You will love the variant. And you can also follow Su's Food Corner on Instagram and Facebook. If you have liked today's video, do give it thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to my page. See you in next video. Till then, stay safe, love life and happy fooding.